I created this look yesterday for the occasion of Saraswati Puja. A lot of people think Indian clothes means heavy makeup. That's not true. Sometimes a light, fresh look can actually bring out your Indian look more. Give it a try. As usual, make sure your face is really moisturized, or you use a moisturizing primer. What you use is really up to you. Just massage it in well. Because I use a simple powder-based foundation at a daily basis, this moisturizing step is a must. So even if I sometimes don't show it in my reels, I have done it. Prep your eyes if you want to use any eyeshadow or even contour the top of your eyes. Use a concealer and a powder of your choice. This step really helps to glide the eyeshadow on smoothly. As usual, take a neutral eyeshadow for this step. This is just to contour the top of my eyes. Blend it in well, take it up to your crease line or the socket, and if you have hooded eyes, take it a little higher. Now take any brown eyeshadow which is darker than your base color and just put some on the side, kind of just stamp it on and blend it into your crease. Make sure that this is a soft brush and this will give your eyes a nice shape. It kind of brings out the bone structure. Use some concealer wherever required for a little bit of color correction, and after that I'm going to use my Studio Fix. I prefer a powder-based foundation for a more natural look. I'm going to just do a simple smudge kajal look on the outer lower lash line and smudge it out. Going all the way in is okay, but I like to keep it 3/4 because it makes the eyes look brighter. If you use a pencil brush and you smudge your kajal from before, it won't smudge later. And the look is also better. Smudge it further with a dark brown eyeshadow. This will give it a nice smoky look, and whatever's left on your brush, bring it onto the upper lid, but just on the outer corner to create a shadow. It looks very nice. Set your eyebrows, comb it out, just fill it in wherever required and set it with a gel. A good mascara always completes the eye makeup. Using false lashes at a daily basis is not just unnatural, it doesn't look natural, but a good mascara takes care of that. Prime your lips with a nude lip liner. Just make sure that you have used a good lip balm before makeup. I'm keeping my look neutral, and MAC Plum is one of the best lip liners I find for neutral lipsticks. If you can find a similar shade, go for it. It's a brown that's not too dark yet not pale. I'm using this Maybelline lipstick. I'm going to keep it matte today because there's a puja in my house and there's going to be a lot of eating. But you can always add a lip gloss and that will look fabulous as well. I've become too used to cream blushes or tints. Firstly because I have dry skin, and it also gives you that glass skin look that everybody looks for. I prefer dabbing it out with my finger even after the brush to blend it well. My jewelry for Saraswati Puja is from Chambalama, which is in Kolkata New Market, and definitely they have the best collection ever. Do try this makeup. Try a light makeup which is fresh with Indian looks, and trust me, you're going to get used to it. Enjoy!